Namaskar. Hello to everybody. Let us observe our awareness. Let us enter in the space of our sense. Let us evoke the dhyana in ourselves, being in the dhyana. Let us shut our eyes. Notice our awareness. Observe our awareness. Let's turn our eyes closed, and from the internal vision, in between the brows, in between the eyelids, in between the eyebrows, turn your attention away from the world, body and thought, and towards awareness, watching awareness. Every time we notice we are thinking, just turn attention away from thought and towards awareness, watching awareness. Watch our awareness and not our thoughts. Constantly renouncing thoughts is unclutching. Living renunciation as a lifestyle is living enlightenment. Ajapa Japa is a powerful way of renouncing the words and thoughts continuously happening in us. Feeling connection is a powerful method to renounce all the emotions which are not necessary happening in us. Unclutching is the ultimate renunciation, renouncing all the identities which are unnecessary happening in us. Renunciation is the ultimate purification process to live with the light, in the light. Let us hold our subtle mind with permanent remembrance of the holy sound which is infused in our breaths. And when the mind wants to wander out of the meditative state, the sound, this vibration of the mantra helps it bring back. The rhythm pronounced in ourselves through this mantra provides an easy channel for energy to flow in and out of. Dear friends, approach life with an open mind and be more tolerant to diverse beliefs, opinions, and activities. This does not mean that you must accept them. Just do not push them aside without considering the other side of the coin. Also treat yourself and others with respect. Such practice empowers us towards higher consciousness. Om. From that inner silence of the Atman, the whole outer world is seen as being transient, transitory, illusory. That's kind of the first permanent awakening. It's rare, very uncommon. Just that first permanent awakening. Hold to that. Fix your sense to that. And move ahead. Because our continued existence in this fleeting world is like a tiny drop of dew or a bubble floating in a steam, like a flash of lightning in a summer cloud or a thickening lamp, an illusion, a phantom of a dream. Sometimes our Atma Vichara, our self-speaking, is very much required. The great awareness and loving that we own from Atma Vichara are the stepping stones in the spiritual development. We can get escape from the sufferings first. Then we purify our mind and improve our love and compassion. And then we can open the door of the essence of enlightenment. Close our eyes. With the conscious awareness, we infuse our holy mantra in our breath and slowly try to deepen it, and we find that only we are there, no else and nothing, and then even we are not over there. Enjoy this happening. Enjoy this sense. Om Shri Sadguru Devaya Namaha. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.